Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add debit card in Kucoin. So the first thing I'd like you to do to start this process is to open up your Kucoin account. Now in case you do not have your Kucoin account, it's pretty much simple. From any browser of your choice, locate the search bar, which is usually at the top corner. In the search bar, type kucoin.com. It's going to take you to the official website. Follow the on-screen prompt to sign up. And once you're done, it's going to take you to the official homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have a great time on Kucoin. So right now we're in this homepage. You can see a lot of headings, subheadings representing diverse features. Now to add debit card in Kucoin, all you need to do is to select buy crypto. And once you click on buy crypto, you're going to see fast trade, P2P, third party, fiat deposit. Go ahead and click on P2P and it's going to open up the P2P window. So from there, we'll see how we can add a debit card in Kucoin. So now we're here on this page, which is pretty much amazing. Head over to this, this top corner, follow the cursor where you're going to see beginner's guide, merchant program, my orders, and more. So go ahead and click on more. You can see an extended menu, my ads, create ads, payment settings. Go ahead and click on payment settings and it's going to open up this page. Now click on add, this add button that is here right here. So it says make sure that the payment account is real name certified. The selected payment method will be shown to the trader in the trade. So right here in payment method, you're going to see a drop down menu icon. Click on that and you're going to see an extended menu. So these are diverse payment methods that you can choose from. But I just don't want to stress myself so much. I'm just going to click on bank. All right, so once I click on bank transfer, you're going to see now it says bank transfer account type. So select the account type of your debit card. Okay, let's say it's individual. So just click on individual and then BIC. So enter your BIC code for that bank account, for that debit card, and then enter the account number in your debit card. Enter the full name in your debit card as well. All right, and then go ahead and click on complete. So once you click on complete, that's just going to pretty much it. The next steps are just going to be self-explanatory. All right, and you'll be good to go. Then you'll be able to add your debit card to your Kucoin account. Now I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.